Having a profitable dropshipping business is extremely difficult if you don't know how to increase your average order value and you're only relying on the front end sale. So what do I mean by this? So if you're selling a product for $30 and you're getting it to the customer for $15, that means you're making $15 profit, okay? But you also have to factor in that you have advertising costs, you have Shopify fees, refunds, you have fees from your payment processors, and so much more. So that's gonna dip into the profits that you're gonna receive after every order. So the only way to prevent this is by having upsells, downsells, different offers on your thank you page. So that way, when your customer comes to your website, they're not only just gonna get one product, which is your main product, they're also gonna get offered other bundles and other special promotions. So that way they end up spending more by the time they hit the thank you page. And in this video right here, I'm not gatekeeping anything. I'm literally gonna show you a store that I created, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I boost my average order value on every single order. So that way you can implement these strategies and start making more money with your dropshipping business. So if you're excited for that, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content. And I highly recommend that you stay to the end of this video because I know for a fact that it's going to be extremely valuable. And I promise you there's not many YouTube channels out there that are giving advice and game the way that I do here. So I hope you guys appreciate that. I hope you're ready to dive into this. And yeah, let's not waste up too much of your time. Let's get right into it. So hopping right into it. So here's a store that I created for this, okay? Now, excuse this logo up here. I know it doesn't match with the store. This is an old logo for a store that I used to run. I put it here just so I don't give away my store in this video. So just ignore this, okay? So I'm not gonna go step by step like through this whole, I'm not gonna show you like the whole product page, okay? Because I have plenty of videos of me showing you, how to do that. I'm just gonna go over the different AOV boosters that I have on this product page, okay? So the product that I was selling was this viral tennis bracelet, okay? So we were selling it for $24.99, but we were doing a buy one, get one free offer, okay? So how are we gonna be able to highlight this offer so that way we can get our customers to purchase more than just one unit? Because if I don't have this specific thing that I'm talking to, or that I'm gonna show you guys, they would only buy one unit and then be, on their way, okay? So we want them to be able to spend more. So this right here is how I do this. So this is Kaching Bundle Quantity Breaks. It's this app right here on the Shopify App Store. I love this. I'm not sponsored by them at all, but I love this app because you're able to really break it down so that way your customer can see exactly what the offer is right on the volume discount. Okay, so if we go back to it, I have this all set up. So the first one is just buy one, get one free, okay? So you'll be able to select your variants, select the sizing, and then, add it right to your cart. And then I have an offer for buy two and get one free, okay? And the buy two and get one free version also includes free shipping. So you'll not only be able to grab every color like I have here, but you'll save 10%, you'll get free shipping. And I have a most popular tag right here, which is one of my favorite things about this app is being able to put this here. I think it really makes it pop. And also, if you didn't notice from the get-go, this was actually already selected. So when a customer comes to your website, this offer, the most popular offer, you can have it to where it'll automatically be selected. So if they want to buy one unit, they have to actually go and click it, which is also kind of nice. Also, put whatever offer you want here. So I just put special offer ends today. You can put whatever you want here, but this is also really nice and complements this very well. So I'm actually in the app right now, and I'm going to show you exactly like how I have it set up here. Okay, I'm literally going to walk you step by step. So I have, the name is just bundle. You can name it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. The special offer ends today, which you see here is highlighted here. And then I do specific selected products, and then I selected just the viral tennis bracelet. And then I believe this isn't selected when you just, make a new bundle. So make sure this is selected, which is let customers choose different variants for each item. So that way, your customers can choose gold, rose gold, silver. So that way they don't have to get just one variant. And then for pricing, I like to have use product compare at price. This is what it's going to show here. So I like that it shows a compare at price. And then for the deals section, this is just setting this up right here. So for the buy one, get one free version, it's this right here. So 2 quantity is what the customer is going to get. Buy one, get one free. Then you put specific price, and you're going to put exactly the price that you want to sell it. And then it will be set up just like this. And then same thing for bar number 2 under deals, which is setting up this one here. And you're gonna put 3 quantity because you're getting 3 in total if you buy this, bundle. I put buy two, get one free, you save 10%, which is this text right here. And then I did the same thing for the price specific, $39.99, which is the price here. And then you can do the badge style, which is most popular. You can change the text. You don't have to have it most popular, I don't believe. And then for the label, you can put grab every color. I did that here because it just makes sense. I only have 3 variants for this product. So if they select this one, I can tell them, hey, you're gonna be able to get all 3 for X amount. And then for the last part, you can just customize these colors and the font size. You don't have to keep it like mine, but you can change the colors to match your store. Now, before we move on and I show you guys more ways on how you can increase your average order value, I want to give a major shout out to AutoDS. Now, AutoDS is my all-time favorite dropshipping supplier. You could literally take any listing from AliExpress, copy the link and put it into AutoDS, and you'll be able to source this product extremely quick. And as you can see, it's in my products tab, and now all I have to do to source this product is click the 3 dots, click on sourcing request, and then process sourcing request. Now, there's a few reasons why I really love AutoDS, and the first one being that they have automatic fulfillment. So anytime an order comes through on my Shopify store, I just have that automatically fulfilled by AutoDS. This saves me money from having to go and hire a VA to do this for me. They also have their own warehouses in China, so they're able to get you better product costs and faster shipping times than AliExpress. And then on top of that, they also have A1 customer service, okay? It's 24/7, and on top of that, they speak extremely good English. So I highly recommend if you're looking for a dropshipping supplier that you check out AutoDS for yourself. And if you use my personal link, I actually have access to a 30-day free trial for you guys. So that way you can try the app 100% risk-free. And if you want to check that out, that'll be at the top link in the description. All right, so the next way that I really like to boost my average order values when I'm doing product tests or just on my e-commerce stores in general is by using an app called Upcart. So this app right here is just a cart drawer, and it allows you to be able to have different upsells inside of your actual cart, which is extremely helpful. So you're gonna need this app right here, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So let's just say you come to my website and you just want the buy one, get one free. You don't want anything else. You're gonna get a gold, a rose gold, and you're gonna add that to your cart. Okay, so now as you see, this is Upcart right here. Your whole cart is fully customized. It shows you a bunch of different things, and these were already set up by myself, and I'll show you exactly how to set them up here in a second. Okay, so the first thing that I have right here is a lifetime warranty. Okay, now this is set up as a product in my Shopify store. And then as you can see right here, I actually have it set up. So I haven't really finished the description. So you want to make sure that you have something like, explaining, hey, we accept a lifetime warranty where we'll replace the product as long as it falls under this criteria. Or if you're just going to offer a lifetime warranty no matter what, you could do that as well. But make sure you're a little bit more, descriptive in your description, and that you make it upfront with your customer. So let's go back to the site. As you can see right here, you can add it for $4.99, and that's just for one product. So if they want a warranty for both of these products, they're going to have to add 2 of these to their cart. And you may be asking, why would somebody do that? Well, for $4.99, that sounds like a no-brainer offer to add a lifetime warranty to your product, especially if you're selling like an electronic of some sort, okay? So $4.99 is sometimes like, sure, whatever, I'll add it. And that's an extra $4.99 in your pocket that you wouldn't have had if you didn't add that, okay? So also, the next thing that I want to show you guys is the priority processing. As you can see, I have priority processing, jump the line and get your order shipped faster. And I'll actually show you a different way that you can do this without this app if you don't want to do this, okay? So stay tuned for that. So jump the line and get your order shipped faster, priority processing, $4.99. So basically this is just telling them, hey, we will get your product out faster if you pay this. This is going to be like an expedited way of, getting your order out and shipped to you. And you can add this again for another $4.99. And if you didn't have these options available to your customers, you wouldn't be able to make that potential $9 for both of these, right? So I believe that this is a great way to be able to just up that order value just a little bit. So heading on over to the Upcart app, as you can see, I have it pulled up here, and you can see your cart, and it'll give you like a preview. The things that I went ahead and changed, as you can see, all of these are just hidden right now. Right now, I just have the upsells and the add-ons. There's a ton of other things that you can do. You can add trust badges, discount codes, whatever you want to do. For me personally, I have upsells on and add-ons. So for the upsells, you just have to make sure that you enable it here and click save. And then this is exactly how I have it set up. So experience peace of mind with our lifetime warranty. This text matches right here. And then, I have the upsell position on bottom, upsell direction on carousel. And then you can configure your manual upsell. So this is where you're gonna wanna select the product. And then if someone adds this product to their cart, they're gonna be offered a lifetime warranty. So this is basically just your trigger. And then here's the upsell product. So if you have multiple products on your store, you can add a new upsell and do the exact same thing for a different product. So maybe for a different product, you don't wanna have a lifetime warranty. Maybe you want something else. You can do that here as well, which is really nice. Now for the add-on section, this is where I have the shipping protection right here, which is priority processing. I just have shipping protection selected. Include add-ons in cart item count. So this is, you want this selected. For the add-on title, I have priority processing, which is this text right here. Jump the line and get your order shipped faster. I have this here as well. And then you can choose your price. So you can do $4.99, $3.99, whatever you want to do. You can really just split test this and see what works best for you. So really quickly, I want to show you one more quick way that you can actually boost your average order value, and it has nothing to do with apps. It's just everything to do with just your Shopify settings. So one thing that you can make sure that you do is go to your settings, then go to shipping and delivery, click on your general shipping rates, and then scroll down to your shipping zone, so your domestic and your international, and you want to have them just like here, or just like I have here. So standard shipping, priority insured shipping, and you want to have this for both international and domestic. Okay, so all you have to do that is just click on add rate. The custom rate name would be standard shipping, for example, and then name it a price, and then click done. Okay, so for the domestic side, the United States, I have standard shipping, which is just free. Okay, and then I have priority insured shipping. So you want to have either or, either have it on your shipping zone or just have it on the Upcart app. Okay, so you can add what's called priority insured shipping and add this for $4.99. So once they go through the checkout, they add in their shipping information like their address, then they can go ahead and get sold on priority insured shipping. And this is another way for you to boost the average order value, because most people will want to jump the line. Okay, most people will feel like you're a big brand and they want their item as quickly as possible. So they feel like $4.99 is not that big a deal. Let me just select this so I can get faster shipping times. So the final thing that I want to show you guys in this video is an app called Vitals. Okay, I recommend this to all of my students because it has 40 apps all into one, and there's a ton of valuable apps that you can add to your store, all for just $30 a month. And I believe you can actually get up to a 30-day free trial with this. Okay, so I'm going to show you inside of mine. So you can add a bunch of, like, these are literally all the apps that you can add. Sticky add to cart, currency converters, scroll to bottom, bestseller protection, so on and so forth. So there's a ton of different apps. Now, the ones that you need to be worried about for AOV boosters is called a one-click post-purchase upsell. So if you add this app right here, you can create what's called a new offer. Then you can click on upsells with post-purchase, and then you can choose whatever you want. So if you want a volume discount, a product bundle, buy X, get Y, I actually would just click this, which is just the one-click post-purchase upsell. And it's gonna look literally just like this. So you can click create, and then it's gonna ask you for your trigger. So you could just do specific products. Specific products is any, and then you're gonna browse for your product, which is the viral tennis bracelet, and then continue to offer. So the offer section is pretty much what are we going to offer the customer if they purchase one of our tennis bracelets. Now, for my example, I can't really offer them another product because technically I'm already offering them a buy one, get one free anyway. So most people aren't going to want another one, okay, a third one or a fourth one, right? So what I can do is if they declined on the warranty, I can offer them another product. So I can click on specific product or collection, and then I can offer them that lifetime warranty for a percentage off or a fixed amount. So instead of $4.99, I could be like, hey, get the lifetime warranty now for 50% off, only $2.99 if you do it right now. And that's pretty much how you're gonna be able to literally make it almost a no-brainer offer for them to add a lifetime warranty to their order. Then if you continue on to appearance, you can customize it however you want, change the offer headline text, so on and so forth. And then after you're done, all you have to do is just go to review, then click on publish, one-click post-purchase. So now that I've shown you a few ways to really boost that average order value, you should be ready to be able to implement these strategies onto your dropshipping store and be a lot more prepared and a lot better off when you're testing products. So that way you can make more money on each and every single purchase that you have. So that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys took something from this and that you gained some value from this video. If you did, I would greatly appreciate it if you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And if you're an entrepreneur out there that's looking for a like-minded community full of other individuals on their dropshipping journey, and you're looking for somewhere to connect with others and just learn more about the business model, feel free to go down to the description and sign up for my free dropshipping Discord server. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're seeing this, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.